How to write a thesis. Writing a thesis can be a challenging and rewarding experience. Here are some general steps to help you get started. Choose a topic. Select a topic that is both interesting to you and relevant to your field of study. Try to narrow your focus to a specific research question or thesis statement. Conduct research. Gather relevant information on your topic by reading books, academic journals, and other reputable sources. Take notes on key ideas and arguments that you can use to support your thesis. Develop a thesis statement. Based on your research, formulate a clear and concise thesis statement that summarizes the main argument of your paper. Create an outline. Organize your ideas into a logical structure by creating an outline. This will help you to identify the main sections of your thesis and ensure that each point you make supports your overall argument. Write the introduction. Begin your thesis with an attention-grabbing introduction that provides some background information on your topic and presents your thesis statement. Write the body. In the body of your thesis, provide evidence to support your thesis statement. Use your outline to guide your writing and ensure that each point is clearly stated and well supported. Write the conclusion. In the conclusion, summarize your main points and restate your thesis statement in a new and interesting way. You may also want to suggest areas for future research. Revise and edit. Once you have completed a draft of your thesis, revise and edit it carefully. Look for grammatical errors, awkward phrasing, and areas where your argument could be strengthened. Ask a friend or colleague to read your thesis and provide feedback. Format your thesis. Follow your department's guidelines for formatting your thesis. This may include requirements for font size, margins, and citation style. Submit your thesis. Once you have completed all revisions and edits, submit your thesis to your department for evaluation. Be prepared to defend your thesis during an oral examination. I can help you with research, writing, proofreading, and editing, and I can also provide you with tips on how to improve your writing skills. Feel free to ask me any questions via email at globalassignmentservice444@gmail.com or WhatsApp me at +923,346,063,324, and I'll be happy to assist you.